Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum, and we're also going to look at altcoin market cap. However, before we start, if you get a value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get right into it. Based on a weekly time frame, as you can see, we had last week indecision candle, and this week we had a minor pullback, and we're seeing a recovery. However, we've got, based on a 4-hour as well as the daily levels, the resistance levels above us, but we also need to keep an eye on the daily time frame support level as well that we're going to cover in a minute. So this was, as you remember, bear market, dumped 75% exact to the target. However, that was an accumulation. As soon as we exited at around $18,000 and $19,000 and we started pumping, every single target levels cleared so far, and we saw massive 375% for the spot back holders. And local target is going to be still the same, and nothing has been changed since the last video. Moving on with the BTC under a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as long as we stay above this level, which is 66,600 plus, then we've got slightly upper levels based on a 4-hour time frame as well as the 2-hour time frame resistance. Then highly likely that we're going to see this type of price action. First place, as I said, $72,000 and $73,000. After that, we've got 75 all the way up to 76, followed by there is an important level that's going to be $77,000. As I said, that's with the one condition, staying above $66,600 and $500 and breaking local resistance that I'm going to cover on the 4-hour time frame in a minute. However, if we're going to see a rejection and losing this level, that will drive us all the way back into this level, and then the first target level is going to be $60,700 and $500, followed by $57,000, $500, $600, all the way up to this level. That's going to be $56,000. As long as we're going to come and we hold this level, we are safe. Otherwise, even losing this level, that will create a panic in the market. So overall, daily time frame market structure, as you can see, it was bullish since the bottom. However, we had a slight fake out on this level, and as I said, below $28,000 is going to be panic in the market. However, I also mentioned that around here, above 28,000, that we're going to go back, and that will be a bullish. So that was a slight fake out. And from the bottom, as soon as we had a trend change at around $19,500 and $20,000, as I said, without getting an exit signal, 270% pump in the market. Moving on with the total three, that's a total market cap for altcoins. If you're going to exclude BTC and Ethereum, you will get total market cap for the altcoins. So in the previous videos that I said, we're expecting a pullback at around here. However, important level, as long as we stay above 620 and 610 billion, that we're safe. And local level is going to be, as you can see, as long as we're going to stay above this hybrid systems green line, which is going to be 730 and 740, that you can do all shopping, and we will see a further leg up all the way to the next target level, which is going to be in the first place 790, 820, 830, all the way 850, and then next target is going to be 920 billion, which is important diagonal resistance level. However, if we're going to see this below price action, and we have a chance, it all depends on the BTC, 620 all the way 610 billions are extremely important. If we're going to lose this level, that will create a panic. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. As soon as we had a trend change for the total three, we saw massive 140 nearly % pump. You already know what happened to the altcoins. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and 101 Intense Masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. A few examples that I shared with you all on the 17th of March, exact this setup, that was I was talking about. Below this weekly level, I'm expecting rejection around $68,900 and $70,000. Market structure was, as you can see, lower highs, lower lows, and there was a weekly level which is tapped already, and therefore I deleted, and we saw decent dump in the market, and that gave us over 4.5 hour trade. This was another setup that I shared yesterday with you all, and I said the next low time frame setup is slightly risky, but above 64,000 is going to be a safe option. So as you can see on this lower time frame, shift in market structure and tested 618 because lower time frames was a bit bearish, and that followed exact the squiggle. And then the safe setup was on the lower time frame. You can see a perfect claim above 64, and then we reached to the target level, which was 68,000. And when I exited exact from the top, I mentioned that as well. And both of the setups, one of them was 4.9R, nearly 5R, and the next one was 3.8R trade. So as you can see, exit from here, coming all the way to this level, that was 4.6R, the next one was 4.8, and the next one was 3.8R trade. That was a massive scalping setups. Moving on with an ETH analysis. On the last video, as you remember, losing this level, that will take all the way up to the $3,000, and that's exactly what happened. As you can see, came exact to this box support level, because we lost important level of this hybrid system, the blue line, and we tested all the way up to this smart money line. So current condition of Ethereum, if we're going to reject because 4-hour time frame under the bearish control, and we might come either this price action and then recovery, or we might sweep local low and then we can start pumping. However, we have to see reaction, what's going to happen at around here. But the bullish scenario is going to be, as long as we're going to stay below 3,800, we're still under the bearish control on the 4-hour time frame as well as the 2-hour time frame. Claim above this level and we will go in the first place 4,200, and then the next level is going to be 4,400 and $500 are going to be the next target levels. So as you can see on the swing trade, as soon as we claimed this daily, which I shared with you all, and then all the targets has been cleared, and we saw massive 65% nearly profit for the spot back holders. And as soon as we lost this level, as I said in the last video, that was an exit or temporary exit, and we took this setup as well, 13% plus dump, and then exact from the support level, MTF support, we saw 17.5% pump in the market. Currently, BTC 4-hour as well as the 1-hour, 2-hour time frames are heavily under the bearish control. As you can see, the market structure is a bearish, lower lows, lower highs. As long as we're going to be below this daily, ideally $70,000, 69,500, we are under the bearish control. However, we might see a rejection, this type of rejection. And bear in your mind, these levels are already tapped, so we don't need these levels anymore. However, I will follow this daily level, claim above this daily level, and our first target level is going to be 71.5 all the way up to $73,000, and that will change market structure as well based on a 4-hour time frame. And as I said, the next target levels are going to be 75,000 and all the way up to $77,000. However, slightly bearish scenario is going to be rejection. 4-hour as well as the 2-hour time frames are under the bearish control, and we must hold this daily time frame, and we will see a reaction from these levels. And if we're going to see a reaction from this daily, and we will do further analysis. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about it. Losing this daily, that will create a panic in the market, and in the first place, as I said, $58,000 the first target level, all the way up to 56,000 is going to be the next target level. Also, you can see that hybrid systems green line, it confluence with a trend change as well. Claim above 69,000 and 69.5, that will take us all the way this target level, and then the next target level, local target levels are going to be $63,000. But losing this level as well as the blue line, which is confluence with at around blue, as well as the green lines of the hybrid system and daily, the target levels are clear down below. But it is slightly early for us to talk about losing this level at the moment, because we have to see the reaction from these levels. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.